Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 15 best kitchen gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. 6-liter food processor with 360 degrees rotation. The Chef robot with a 360 degrees automatic stir-fry motor offers 2,000 watts of power, making it easy to cook a variety of dishes. Preset cooking times, temperatures, and speeds allow you to simply prepare your ingredients and follow the prompts to add them. With food-grade stainless steel cookware, a hands-free automatic filling function, and a self-cleaning mode, this robot provides a seamless, hygienic cooking experience while simplifying your cooking routine. Number 2. Food warming mat. The advanced graphene heating materials in this warming tray provide full-surface heating for even and rapid warming. With 3 adjustable temperature settings, you can ensure your food stays at the perfect warmth. Safety features like child lock, a timer, and auto shut-off make it convenient and secure for all users. Its compact, rollable design makes it versatile for all seasons, from defrosting to warming masks, offering consistent temperature management year-round. Number 3. Air Purifier Deodorizer for Refrigerator. The Tri-Link Refrigerator Deodorizer actively eliminates odors by circulating ozone, unlike traditional odor absorbers like baking soda. It works quickly to freshen up your fridge and prolong the shelf life of food. With no consumables or filters to replace, this reusable deodorizer is cost-effective and easy to use. The compact design allows it to fit in any space, and with just one button, it's simple to operate, offering a 30-day battery life in standard mode. Number 4. Container for storing greens. Extend the life of your fresh herbs with this innovative herb preservation system. Featuring a refillable reservoir with a removable cap, it's designed to fit in all standard refrigerator doors. It's dishwasher safe and 100% BPA-free, ensuring that your herbs stay fresh longer without harmful chemicals. Keep your kitchen organized and your herbs vibrant with a system that maintains optimal freshness and flavor. Number 5. Heated Electric Lunchbox. The 1.5 liters 60 watts electric lunchbox food warmer is designed for portability and convenience. With a leak-proof design, it keeps your food fresh and dry, while the microwave heating function ensures quick and efficient warmth. Ideal for truckers or anyone on the go, this lunchbox is C-certified, meeting high safety standards. Take it anywhere with confidence, knowing your meals will be heated to perfection wherever you are. Number 6. Wireless Vacuum Sealer for Cans. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer is perfect for preserving your food's freshness. It includes 2 sizes of mouth seals for regular and wide mouth mason jars. This device is easy to use with a one-hand operation and keeps your food safe from moisture and unpleasant flavors. USB Type-C rechargeable and portable, it offers convenience and efficiency, while its strong suction helps retain the flavor and nutrients of your stored food. Number 7. Electric Coconut Opener. Opening coconuts is effortless with the automatic coconut opener. Designed for coconuts up to 6 centimeters in diameter, it extracts the meat easily for cooking or soups. Made from durable PP material and food-grade stainless steel, it's both safe and sturdy. The portable, cordless design makes it perfect for home use, parties, or travel. With its built-in motor, the coconut opener quickly opens coconuts without manual effort, saving you time and effort. Number 8. Electric Coffee Cooker. The compact handheld blender is perfect for blending, mashing, and mixing. With stainless steel choppers and a powerful 15,000 RPM rotation rate, it can easily tackle a variety of tasks. From fruit juices to vegetable cuts, this versatile blender offers over 10 speed settings to ensure precision. Its sleek design, equipped with a whisk and turbo mode, makes it a must-have for your kitchen, especially for preparing smoothies, soups, and sauces. Number 9. Ice Maker for homemade ice cream. The Snowflake Ice Maker uses a high-performance compressor to provide continuous ice production in under 60 seconds, making it ideal for creating a variety of frozen treats. Whether you prefer snow ice or spaghetti shapes, you can adjust the roller speed for your desired texture. Made with food-grade stainless steel, it ensures durability and safety. Easy to operate and clean, It's perfect for making unique ice creams and cold desserts for any occasion. Number 10. Powerful 4-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender. The 3-in-1 portable espresso machine gives you the freedom to brew delicious coffee anywhere. Compatible with ground coffee and capsules, it features an upgraded piston pump for high-pressure extraction, ensuring full flavor and aroma. With intelligent heating and easy-to-clean parts, it's perfect for both hot and cold beverages. Rechargeable via USB-C, this portable espresso machine is designed for travel, camping, or office use, providing convenience and great coffee on the go. Number 11. Espresso Coffee Maker. This adjustable mandolin slicer makes food preparation quick and easy. Perfect for slicing vegetables, fruits, and more. It's made of high-quality PP and stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. Weighing only 700 g, it's easy to handle and store. The adjustable settings allow for precise slicing, while the sturdy design guarantees safety during use. A must-have for any kitchen. This mandolin slicer simplifies meal prep, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Number 12. Adjustable Stainless Steel Grater. This versatile food processor is perfect for chopping, grinding, mixing, and pureeing a variety of ingredients. With a 400 watts motor and stainless steel blades, it's built for efficiency and precision. The sleek design features multiple settings for different food textures and meal types. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or grinding meats, this food processor helps streamline your cooking. Safe and reliable, it's a great addition to any kitchen for versatile meal preparation. Number 13. Blender for preparing hot and cold dishes. The MiWi food processor is a powerful kitchen tool designed for chopping, grinding, mixing, pureeing, and slicing. With a 400 watts motor and 220 volts voltage, it delivers efficient performance for all your meal prep needs. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or slicing vegetables, this versatile machine simplifies tasks and saves time. Compact yet powerful, it's an essential addition to any kitchen, helping you create delicious dishes with ease and precision. Number 14. Wooden Measuring Spoon 10G. The automatic soap dispenser offers a touchless experience, instantly detecting your hand and dispensing soap in just 0.25 seconds. Tailor the soap dispensing to your needs with 3 adjustable levels for maximum convenience. Equipped with a 1500 mAh lithium battery and USB charging cable, it's easy to charge without the need for an adapter. Built with stainless steel and ABS, it's waterproof and features anti-drip protection, while the brushed finish resists fingerprints, water, and oil stains. Activate the cleaning mode with a double click to automatically clean soap residue in 20 seconds. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month warranty. Feel free to contact us with any questions. Number 15. Foam Generator for Barbecue. The double foam generator is a highly efficient tool for creating beautiful, stable foam in just seconds. Combining lecithin with the foam generator creates large, fluffy bubbles perfect for progressive cuisine. This foam is denser and more delicate than traditional farming methods, maintaining a stable, lasting shape. Crafted with food-safe stainless steel and professional-grade materials for safety and flavor preservation. Ideal for enhancing dishes like missiles, scampi, caviar, and even cocktails. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.